How to fix Reddit chat not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix your Reddit chat not working, it might be because of a bug or a glitch issue, or there might be problem in your internet connection. If it's your internet, you can actually switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or enable your cellular data for a couple of minutes. If not, you can turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, connect to a better network connection. If it still does not work, there might be a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, you can tap open your phone settings. Scroll down until you find the option of apps. Then tap on all apps. Tap on the search bar to search for Reddit. In here, you need to force stop your application, head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Lastly, but not the least, you need to check for your system update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the apps. If all of the solutions still does not recover the chat system in your Reddit, you actually have to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.